thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles north of Riviera Beach to 26 nautical miles east of Malaquite Beach to 26 nautical miles south of East Breaks 228, moving south at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, Portland, Corpus Christi North Beach, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Port Aransas, Ingleside on the Bay, downtown Corpus Christi, and Malaquite Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.